What's going on, guys? Three Wheels in a Block back again, and today we have some paint correction to do on this. So this is the Boss Lady's Yukon XL. It's a Diamond White Tricoat, and if you saw the video of the Power Wheels four-wheeler that I found and painted and all that kind of stuff, should be a link right there. So I painted that thing purple. Well, if you look across the front of the Yukon, you can see there's a purple streak right there. Purple paint all across the front there. So the girls were out here playing, and my youngest, who is 16 months old, hopped on that big four-wheeler and took off across the driveway and ran right into the front of this thing. So I'll show you guys how to remove paint transfer off your vehicle. In this case, we've transferred the purple paint to the Diamond White Tricoat, and you can feel that the paint is on the surface of the vehicle paint. Alright, in this video we're going to be using the Meguiar's M105. I use this a lot. Very, very good product and definitely worth the money. An applicator, a couple microfiber towels, and we might even use this guy. We're also going to use a mild degreaser to get any, and this is just a generic simple green that's been diluted down. We're going to use this to get any dirt off the surface. Make sure you get your surface nice and dry. We're just going to put a couple dabs of our M105 on our pad. Work it into the surface. We'll move in there close. You can see all that purple is gone now. Looks like I also noticed a little bit of red down here. So we'll go ahead and take care of that. And for those of you who do not have a polisher, we're going to do this by hand to show you that you can do it by hand, so you don't have to have a machine. Process is the same. Use your applicator pad. Put your little product on your applicator pad. Just going to work it in down here. So, then you'll grab you a clean microfiber cloth, come back and polish it out. Alright, that wraps up the video of the paint transfer on the Yukon. You see it's gone. If you've dealt with this in the past yourself, or maybe you have current paint transfer where somebody's bumped into your vehicle and you've got their paint on top of your paint, let me know in the comment section below. You can use Meguiar's M105, or you can also use a turtle wax polishing compound to get rid of this. There are a few other products out there. Those are the two I've used and they work pretty well. Highly recommend M105. It works better than anything else I've tried. If you guys know something works even better than M105, let me know in the comment section below. And we'll see you next time.